This is my JDM 87 ST162 3SGE 150 horsepower, and we got an unusual engine noise. Starts fine, it's done 300,000 kilometers. It's coming from the top end. We presume that may have been a broken valve spring or something like that. Compression, power is all there. Plenty of guts, not missing. But listen to this, to that loud ticking sound you hear. We checked every valve spring was fine, every valve was holding and everything like that in regards to compression, nothing dropped or whatever. We're assuming maybe it's a valve seat, but it's weird. We had the ignition timing, well, it was initially pretty far advanced. We retarded it a bit and it seemed to kind of quiet it down to a degree. Do note as well that the oil pressure on the gauge there is only about probably just over 1/3 up. Could that be it? I was told that because it's 300,000 kilometer, probably original motor, the main bearings will be a bit worn, hence the oil pressure will be a bit down. But yeah, what's your opinion? While you're here too, what's that warning light to the left of the engine with the car and the kind of rear lines? And what the heck is this? Chippy, trippy Jap stuff. Our Aussie ST162s don't got it. So anyhow, it would be great.